Welcome to another installment of human-generated AI stories where the intelligence may be artificial, but the storytelling is proudly, stubbornly human. Today I want to talk about a crossroads we are all standing at the intersection between one of humans' oldest strengths, critical thinking, and one of our newest intervention, generative AI. And at this junction, the traffic lights are flashing orange. Proceed with caution. Critical thinking at its essence is our ability to analyze information, question assumptions, weigh evidence, and come to a reasoned conclusion. It is the mental equivalent of going to the gym, except instead of lifting weights, you are lifting ideas. It is how society protect themselves from misinformation and disinformation, how leaders avoid expensive mistakes, and how each of us keeps our head above the water in an ocean of competing information. In simple terms, critical thinking helps us resist the temptation to believe everything we see, including the occasional confident nonsense produced by a chatbot. The World Economic Forum keeps ranking critical thinking amongst the most essential skills we'll need as we head towards the 2030s. That's because in a world drawing in data or drowning in data, some accurate, some half-finished, and some straight from an algorithm imagination, we need a filter or a campus, an intellectual GPS. And nobody wants to navigate the future without a GPS. But then generative AI walked into the stage, a tool so powerful it can write your essays, summarize your documents, draft your reports, and sketch out whole project plans whilst you are still brewing the kettle. And that's brilliant, isn't it? Until we start outsourcing the thinking along with the typing. AI's critical thinking is in two opposite ways. That's how it affects us. Firstly, it erodes it. When we allow the machine to do all the reasoning, our minds get a little too comfortable. We skip the deeper questioning. We stop verifying sources. We accept answers that sound good instead of testing whether they are good. It's like hiring a personal trainer and letting them do the bumpies, the weights, no sweat, no growth. But second, AI also evolves our critical thinking. It forces us to level up. It is no longer enough to analyze the arguments. We must analyze the algorithm behind the argument. We now ask, where did this answer come from? What bias is it hiding inside the model? And why is it so confidently wrong when it is wrong? This is not yesterday's critical thinking. This is the upgraded postgraduate version. And that brings us to the crossroads. Gen AI can become a mental shortcut or a mental sparring partner. It can make us intellectually soft or intellectually sharp. The difference doesn't lie in the tool. It lies in the human holding it. So as we navigate this new era, here are three things to keep front and center. Firstly, don't outsource your judgment. Let AI help, but you must still decide. Second, ask better questions. The future belongs to those who interrogate the answers and not those who accept it. And third, always keep a human in the loop because AI doesn't have conscience, context, or common sense. That's our job. We are not here to compete with AI. We are here to complete it. And if we stay curious, stay critical, and stay human, the future won't outsmart us. It will work with us. I am Victor Khatebe, and this is Human Generated AI Stories. If today's conversations challenge you, share it, comment, and follow the series. Let's shape an AI-powered future that still has a human heartbeat. Thank you.